lab. It's like a 5-minute walk, so I'm gonna hurry over there now.
Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie.
When I get to the lab, I first start by taking out these tubes for expression trials. These are incubators, and we can set them to rotate at a specific speed and stay at a specific temperature. So yeah, we are growing E. coli inside of each of these tubes, and they all have different growing conditions. Right now, I'm in the cold room. It might be a bit loud, but yeah, there's lots of ACTAs, which are things used to purify proteins, and we have centrifuges in the cold room too. So yeah. Bagel Friday!
Cream cheese and Nutella, guys. Yay!
Flows high low, shouldn't be this dark, broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you,
This is the most important moment of the Western blot. Here I am checking how the transfer went between the gel and the membrane. So very carefully with tweezers I am removing the gel, and yay, I'm pretty happy because I can see most of the ladder on the membrane. I am currently in the student office because I am just waiting for the blocking to finish for my Western blots. That usually takes an hour, so there's about 30 more minutes left on the timer. But I wanted to take this time to kind of explain what I've been up to this summer and yeah, my overall experience working in a research lab. So the research lab that I am in is in the Department of Biochemistry at McGill, more specifically structural biology. So this summer I've been doing a lot of molecular biology. My supervisor kind of does the more complicated stuff with the computer to figure out crystal structures of proteins and does more of the biochemistry side of it, whereas I have been helping more with cloning, transformations, PCR, running gel electrophoresis, doing Western blots, doing expression trials, and so much more. So yeah, overall I am super duper glad that I chose to apply to this internship. It was a little bit scary and daunting to think that I would be living alone in Montreal during the entire summer break instead of going home to see my family, but ultimately I'm glad I made that decision because being in this research lab gave me a lot of clarity on the major that I wanted to choose. I'm going to go stop that timer. Okay, I am back. But as I was saying, this research experience helped me realize that I really liked doing wet lab research, which honestly pushed me to choose microbiology and immunology as my major for the upcoming school year. Before this lab, I was really going back and forth between neuroscience and microbiology and immunology. Because I honestly liked those two topics in high school the most in biology class. But yeah, just doing wet lab research, doing all of those Western blots helped me kind of consolidate my reasons for wanting to go into MIM. Yeah, this is also my personal opinion, but I feel like there aren't that many opportunities for high school students to learn more about the research field, because I feel like dentistry, medicine, like pharmacy, those are all topics that I feel like are talked about a lot during high school, and I had some experiences that helped me kind of dig deeper into those fields, but this was the first time where I actually got to be in a research lab, talk to lots of PhD students, and it shed a lot of light on all of the science research that is going on, and it was really cool. I'm really glad that I took this opportunity, and feel like I grew a lot from this experience, definitely. So overall, I would really recommend high school students, when you start university, maybe start thinking about research early on. It's always nice to get experience as early as possible. Strictly my opinion, but yeah. So now I think I am going to go back into the lab and check on the status of my Western blots. So yeah. I got pulled into a meeting with the PI and the grad student I'm working on with, but just finished up with that, and I'm a little bit late for my MSERT shift, so I am hurrying a little bit. But yeah, just gonna run as fast as I can to upper residence to sign in for my shift. Just cleaned up like 5,000 fruit flies off the floor. Yay! And cleaned the washrooms. Looks semi-presentable now. And yeah. Currently on my way to do laundry. So join me. Okay, so now I am in the laundry room, but in the meantime, a lot of things happened. We got our first call at around 8:30, so we helped a patient for like about an hour, and we just came back to the shift room, and now I am gonna put everything that was in the washer into the dryer so that it can dry. But yeah. Off to many more calls probably today. Yay! All done with this. Now I'm gonna put them in the dryers. I have all 3 dryers going. We just got some snacks to last through the night, and somebody wants to say hi to the vlog. It's Olivia!
Hello.
My favorite MSERTer.
Yay!
Hi, it's me again. It's about 11:30, and I'm currently in the second responder room of MSERT. It looks a little bit like this. But for everyone that doesn't know about MSERT already, it stands for McGill Student Emergency Response Team. And basically, we are a group of students at McGill who are trained first responders according to the Canadian Red Cross, and we basically do overnight shifts where we are placed in the residence halls from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. the next morning. And we respond to calls for students who aren't feeling well and just need someone to check up on them. Also, we do intramural shifts where we're sitting right outside the gym during the day when there are sports going on, and we help treat like muscle injuries, concussions, anything that's related to getting hurt while playing sports. And also the last thing we kind of do are club shifts or special event shifts. So if there are special events where McGill clubs or associations have huge parties or events that are off campus, we sometimes go and keep an kind of our position there to help anyone that is feeling sick or unwell at these events. So yeah, that's a little bit about the McGill Student Emergency Response Team. This year I am a coordinator on the operations portfolio, so for the next 2 months I'll be looking after the upper shift rooms and making sure that they're clean, they're restocked with all of the things necessary to sleep in the resident shift rooms basically. Another thing that ops does is take care of the pack, which is this huge backpack that we as MSERTers carry around, and it has everything you could imagine, from literally a tank of oxygen to blankets to band-aids, bandages, spinal collars, anything you could imagine we have in there. So we kind of keep stock of that and make sure that we have the proper resources needed to help a student. But yeah, I do know that MSERT is soon opening applications for anyone that wants to join the team. It is a pretty lengthy process. There is like a knowledge exam where you're tested on basic standard first aid knowledge, and I'm pretty sure they release a textbook so that you can study beforehand. And also, if you make it past the knowledge test round, there is also an interview stage where you are given various scenarios and you kind of have to respond to these situations and help patients who are in need in these situations. But yeah, that is all I can think of in terms of MSERT. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to the first responder room and get some more work done. The last thing I'll do before going to bed is fold this pile of laundry, and then yeah, time for bed until we get more calls, I guess. Currently all ready for bed. I am going to log off and hope that we don't get any more calls today. So yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching this little vlog, and good luck to all of the students who are starting university. You'll kill it. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.